Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build a vise rack. So basically if we try to clamp a board vertically in a vise, the vise begins to sort of like wedge on one side to rack. It can damage your vise and it's not gonna hold your board securely. So it's not good. You can try to put a piece of wood on the other side. Let's see what happened to me when I tried to do that. As you can see, didn't go too well. So I resawed and planed some Brazilian cherry and regular cherry to be approximately 1/8 of an inch, about 4 millimeters thick. And then I cut planks about 3 inches wide using my table saw. Then I cut planks to be about 4 or 5 inches long. 17 pieces altogether. You can mix them sort of like every other plank is darker. And the total width is going to be about 3 inches, about 7.5 centimeters. Then I taped it all together. Did a couple of final cuts. And just sanded it to look good on the ends. Then I found some hardware. I drilled a larger hole for a washer, and then I drilled a through hole for the pin itself. As you can see, the washers go on both sides. Did some more sanding to make it look good. And even more sanding. I love to use oils on my projects. So this time I just used pure tung oil. It looks really good in cherry. So now each plank is about 1/8 of an inch, and if you want to counterbalance this board, which is about 1/2 an inch, it will take about 4 planks. As you can see, the vise rack doesn't fall through, and we can clamp a board securely and reclamp it. We can flip it and work on the other end, and the board will stay securely clamped and the vise is not going to be damaged. And that was the idea. It's all good now. Guys, thank you for watching. Be safe and happy woodworking.